Good morning. This is Bayo Joseph on Trading Insights for August 15th and towards the next week. So here on my chart you can see that analysis has been done, and what has been happening in the market for the past few days, you can see that there is a consolidation here at this demand zone on the DXY, and it has made market to have a lot of indecision, going up and coming down. Like, market has been kind of ranging, the price has been ranging, it has not moved in a particular direction. So this is the DXY, and I do analyze the DXY to also give me an in-depth and to ascertain what is going to happen in other currency pairs, because dollar is the major pair in the forex trading for all USD based pairs. And as you can see, dollar has been on a bearish move, but I am anticipating that if dollar doesn't drop to this demand zone below here, dollar is going to retrace or pull back to this supply zone before it continues on this bullish trend. And also have it in mind that dollar has been and currently has been on a bullish trend for some times now, and at this point is trying to pull down back to somewhere around there, then continue this bullish trend. So I'm just gonna be careful and watch out what it does. We are not predicting the market, we analyze and wait for market to react, then we put in our position. So this is just an insight for us to see what is happening in the market and what to expect this coming week. So I'll go into my major currency that I trade, GBPUSD and gold. And currently gold, or this GBPUSD, as you can see, dollar is the opposite of the Euro US, and Euro US is kind of similar to the GBPUSD. And as you can see, this is what is happening. If you check the dollar index, you can see that it's almost the same thing, just a slight different. And you can see where the index, the dollar index, is selling, the GBPUSD is buying. So you can see the reason why I have to go down to the dollar, then now come down, just to give me a foresight and let me know what I am doing. So coming down here, you can see that there has been like a resistance around this area. Price has come here, retraced, has come here again. So I'm expecting, as I said, for price to continue on this bullish, maybe to around this place or somewhere, but I'm going to wait for the reaction around this area. And whatever is happening, I am hoping to take a bearish, I'm looking for a bearish, to take a bearish trade, because I'm also watching this to see a bullish in this. So if dollar is going bullish here, I'll be expecting a bearish trend around this place to somewhere around there, then we can continue. But the market, the price, you have to follow it from what is doing, not just what you analyze. So I'm going to wait for the market to react this coming week, whatever it does. And if I see that okay, this is going up, I'll watch whatever it's going to do here. Then if it's for me, if it is about to move down, I go to my lower time frame to know, once the price gets to my point of interest, I know what I want to do. Then I go down to my lower time frame and wait for, or have a very calm setup, wait for to execute at my lower time frame. And also let's move on to I have other pairs, but these are my major pairs. The gold USD, and as you can see, gold is also on a bullish trend after a very long bearish movement. But right now I'm expecting gold also to come into this demand zone at this fib level of this high and this low, the 0.6. so I'm expecting gold to come into this place or this place. There's a supply zone here, there's also a supply zone here, but gold is currently at this place. So I'm looking closely, because I know that, as you know, the way gold moves, they can be a push up to this place then, but around these 2 point of interest I am careful, because I know price can either retrace or change its movement from these both point of interest. So this is just an insight. This is not a trading, this is not an entry model, it's an insight. So whoever is watching this video, is now for you, is now left for you to know, okay, is this video helpful? If it's helpful, what are the next things to do to watch out what is going to happen in the coming week? Then scroll down to your lower time frame. Once you see the price has come to a major or come to your point of interest, look at the reaction and go to your lower time frame. And once you know where the direction is going to be, because first thing you have to know the direction, you don't just trade without the direction, and this is what I have just done. So once you can find and figure out that good, your analysis is correct, price has come into the where you want it to come to, then you scroll down to your lower time frame and you enter and execute your trade, get your take profit. And I would also say, do not overemphasize or overstress your take profit. If you have if you can go down to a lower time frame, you can have a good risk to reward ratio and take a very good trade. So this is just my major pairs, and the other pairs I would love to do, but these are my major pairs. And if you have, or you want me to do an analysis on any of the pairs, you can comment in this. You can comment in the section, or in the comment section. So thank you all for watching this episode on Trade Insight with Bayo Joseph. God bless you.